Turn to the Lord, the one who's broken, the one who's torn me apart. You strike down to bind me up. You say you do it all in love, that I might know you in your suffering. So though you slay me, yet I will praise you. Though you take from me, I will bless your name. Though you ruin me, still I will worship and sing a song to the one who's all I'll ever need. My heart and flesh may fail, the earth below give way. With my eyes, I'll see the Lord lifted high on that day. Behold the Lamb that was slain. If I know every tear is worth it all. This cup pass from me now. You're enough for me. You're enough.